Hey guys, this is Brian again. I don't know if I ever really introduced myself, but that is me. This is an older project that I did several years ago, but I just wanted to kind of document it before I dismantle it, because I recently moved and brought everything out here to a workshop, and it doesn't really work as well as it used to. There's some parts of it that don't work, but I'll go ahead and jump right in. Okay, I named it syscon. I don't know if you can see that. It's just a batch file that opens a qbasic program here. That was written several years ago, even though it says 2008. You've got like phone numbers and just kind of different stuff that I used to do with qbasic. And external control is what we want here. This is something I wrote to output data to the parallel port, and in turn it through these like custom boards that I built, they can turn on different things around my workbench. We'll go to debug info number 9, and you can see the decimal and binary output there. So let's say we want to turn on the fan. Actually, okay, I gotta turn it on first. This is a power supply that I got out of an old network switch. Provides 12 and 5 volts. So we'll click that on. Okay, so let's say we want to turn on the fan. We just hit 1, and see the fan kicks on. And you can see the outputs there, of course. And you can also see them on the breadboard. And you can watch as I turn different things on there. And you can actually turn off that function with this little switch here. And you can see if the lights go out, and it's just the circuitry. But there you can see your debug info. This card here actually was a battery backup system that I put in. This is a RC car rechargeable battery, and this is the charger circuitry. I just pulled it out of the enclosure that it was in. It can charge 7.2 and 9.6 volt batteries, and these were the lights that told you if they were charging or not. And these are the lights that tell you if the soldering iron or glue gun is on, because I have a habit of leaving those on and not meaning to. Like I'll show you how these work. If I turn on the glue gun with 3, you can see the output changes there, the decimal and binary. The binary info on the card, and there's the light on the glue gun. Let's see, I had some other things. The light, which doesn't work anymore for whatever reason. Lava lamp, which actually ran off the external relay, and it goes up here too. The lava lamp, which has pretty much died. Lava lamps can be kind of fragile, I guess. I don't know. Really don't know much about lava lamps. But, let's turn that off. PSU1 and PSU2 actually used to turn on these when this was like across the room, totally different. A lot's changed since I've moved. So I'll just go through real quick and explain the circuitry here. I think this terminal block is where all the wires from the DB25 connector, the parallel port connector, and it all gets fed into this board. And all it does is the program, if it turns the first binary bit on, it will turn on a small LED basically inside of these optocouplers. And what that does is it keeps the circuits separate from each other. Because all you have here is you've got the light on that side of the circuit, and on this side of the circuit it's got a actually I think they might be infrared. It's been a while since I've looked into these, but it's just got a sensor there, so it can tell if the light's on or off and turn something else on or off. So that gets fed to you probably can't see that, a bunch of transistors. There's 8 transistors across there. The transistors in turn turn on the relays 1 through 8. These are PCB mount relays there, and then that turns on all the 110 voltage to all the devices, or whatever voltage they use. Some use 12 to use a bigger relay, like for the lights and stuff. So because I actually burned up a couple of these little relays there. I think they're only rated for 1 or 2 amps or something. It's not very high. But I guess that's it. Let's see, I can actually show you the file here. If I can remember where I put it. I don't know if there's the old one or the new one. Okay, it's got a do loop command there. Wait, no, it's been a long time since I've been through this. Okay, I actually don't even see the code in there. Oh, fine. So yeah, I guess that's basically it. I'll be posting a lot more videos. I'm working on some other little projects. I've got my power supply there. And also this little thing here that I built for testing ATX motherboards. I'll go into that in another video. But for now, I'll catch you guys later, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.